Do you want to create a beautiful swag for above your door to match your wreath? Stay tuned, I'm gonna show you how. Hello everyone, I'm Ramon and this is Ramon at Home. On this channel we talk about interior design, seasonal home decor, DIY projects and shopping tips, all on a budget so you can create a space that tells your story. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a swag for above your door to match one of the wreaths we already made for our fall decorating. If you want to see how this is done, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Ramon at Home for future decorating ideas. Let's get started. Alright everyone, the things we're going to need for this swag above our door are a little branch of, this is a fallen branch that I just let dry out, and I'm also going to use various types of foliages as well as some sunflowers that I have, and a wire that I have already pre-wired to a nail above my door so I can tie it in a zip tie to get it all together. So let's get started. The very first thing we need to do is, of course, separate our foliages by types, and the ones that I have two of, I'm going to go ahead and do one going one side and the other one going the other side. So we're going to go ahead and crisscross them, and always keep in mind that you have to tie it to your core right here, and that's where we're going to tie it to the top. So it has to be equally divided on both sides. Then I'm going to add one of these bigger foliages to fill in, and then I'm going to add another one right here, but this I want it to go up a little bit. Then I have this other one right here. So far so good, right? The next thing I'm going to add is going to be some of this greenery, because I want to break some of this orange, and I just want to weave it through right here, because when the leaves are changing in nature, there's still some of the greenery left. That's the look I'm going for. So like that. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab some of my sunflowers, and I'm going to go ahead and insert them, once again crisscrossing them like this. And at this point I want to make sure that they're getting close together, because I want to have a focal point right here. So I'm going to go ahead and add some of these little really bouncy greeneries right here as well, and that's just for an extra bounce. And always remember, what happens on one side needs to happen on the other side. Then I'm going to add this other sunflower right here in the middle to close it, a bigger sunflower to make a focal point. And then with a zip tie, what I'm going to do is I'm going to zip tie all of this together right here. And this project is super easy, and it will give us so much impact on top of our door. Just the right amount that you need for your fall decorating. Alright, so once it's all like that, you can go ahead and fluff all of this like this. Then what I want to do is I want to go ahead and grab my little stool and get up here and put this, tie it with wire. I'm going to try not to fall from this ladder. I'm going to grab this wire and I'm just going to swirl it around the whole thing. And once it's tied up here, that's when you want to do most of the flapping of this garland. You want to make sure that it's covering most of the door, and that some of it come down and some of it goes up, and then you can pull some of it forward as well. So just go ahead and give it a fluff. Alright, once we have it at this point, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and extend that shape, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to get back on this little stool, and I want to give these two a little curve down. Now I'm just going to go ahead and insert it right here, making sure that I go through the wire so I can extend the shape of this swag, going around the door like this. And then, sorry about you guys seeing my backside, but it has to be done like this. So we're going to cover some of this like that, so that way you can extend the shape into the door. Now let me get the wreaths that I'm thinking about putting on this door, and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, so these are the two wreaths that I show you how to make. This is a no glue wreath. If you haven't seen this wreath, I'm gonna link it up on the iCard, as well as a cornucopia wreath. And I just think that will add the perfect touch to complement the wreath on the door. So leave me a comment on the comment section below. Do you guys like the no glue wreath to go with this look? Or do you like the cornucopia wreath, which is a little bit more settled on the door? Leave me a comment on the comment section below. I really want to know, and stay tuned for the house tour so you can see which wreath I pick. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed to Ramon at Home, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And also share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Ramon at Home for future decorating ideas. Until next time, bye.